How to buy new BitShares, NBS. Beginner's Guide. What is NBS? NBS is an open-source solution for DeFi decentralized finance, business and DEX decentralized exchange, based on DPoS consensus and implemented with DAO's organizational management structure. Delegated Proof of Stake (DPoS) is a consensus algorithm developed to secure a blockchain by ensuring representation of transactions within it. DPoS is designed as an implementation of technology-based democracy, using voting and election process to protect blockchain from centralization and malicious usage. The graphene technology used by NBS is one of the most advanced blockchain technologies on the market. NBS is the native utility token that is used for fees for processing transactions and storing data. Used for governance votes to determine how network resources are allocated. Offers the capability to loan your NBS holdings with customizable reserve levels. Rewards for NBS system contributors includes witness and workers. NBS tools include NBS SDKs, which includes standard data structures and testing tools. NNS wallet that lets application developers create streamlined user experiences. NBS Explorer to aid with both debugging of contracts and the understanding of network performance. NBS command line tools to allow developers to deploy applications from local environments. How many NBS coins are there in circulation? NBS Protocol launched its mainnet on September 11, 2020 with fixed 3.6 billion NBS tokens created at Genesis, no additional issuance in its lifetime. Circulating supply were 3,095,718,947 as dated March 3, 2021. 500 million NBS is reserved in the fund pool for witnesses, system development and NBS network architecture maintenance costs. Who are the founders of NBS? NBS technology was created in July 2014 and is the first brainchild of Steem and EOS co-founder and CTO Dan Larimer, along with Ethereum and Cardano co-founder Charles Hoskinson. NBS is an open-source solution for DeFi decentralized finance, business and DEX decentralized exchange, based on DPoS consensus and implemented with DAO's organizational management structure. The graphene technology used by NBS is one of the most advanced blockchain technologies on the market and was developed by Dan Larimer. Since launched on September 10, 2020, NBS has been adhering to the concept of using DeFi to achieve a win-win situation, reconstructing the economic ecology of the public chain, and using free sharing to achieve DeFi-inclusive applications, and has revolutionized the application of smart coins by introducing the currency-based and coin-based liquidity mining as well as the perpetual margin contract market on the NBS DEX. Cross-chain, NBS Connect, Oracle Machine, NBS Forecast, Virtual Machine EVM and NFT are added to the original graphene structure. Reconstructing the economic model of the public chain through DeFi allows the NBS ecosystem to form a true closed loop. At the same time, as an efficient blockchain DEX infrastructure, NBS greatly reduces the capital threshold and cost of trading. The NFT function can be applied to fields such as digital collectibles, game projects, digital goods, event tickets, real estate, ID cards, certificates, etc. Quick guide. How to buy NBS. Get some Bitcoin to exchange for this cryptocurrency. Register for an account with an exchange like Binance. Enable two-factor authentication. Click on Funds and select Deposits. Select Deposit Coin. Copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. Transfer BTC into your account. Click Exchange and select Basic. Search for the pair you want to trade. Select a limit, market or stop limit order. Enter the amount you want to buy. Review transaction details. Confirm your purchase. Where to buy NBS. Comparing exchanges can help you find the right fit for your needs. We've looked at more than 20 exchanges, and you can sort our comparison table by deposit method, fiat currency support and crypto support. You can find NBS tokens on the following crypto in the video description.